So literally, this vlog is gonna be turned into so many parts for the last 2 days. I look, damn, I need to fade this up. But I know that I haven't uploaded any videos because I've been working straight 12s because we're refinery boys. And right now, I'm actually gonna go get a HD hood. If I didn't post a video about the other update, then well, I have an HD girl now. I swapped my old one and then gave the guy some money on my side. And right now, some guy's selling me an HD hood for $100. And I've seen pictures of it. Looks clean, so I'm gonna go meet the guy right off of here. Oh, there's the cops. But yeah, I'm excited. I was gonna do the headers, but I think I'm gonna wait on that. Cause guys say, oh well, if you get your headers, your truck isn't gonna like it. And yeah, I know that GM tuned these trucks for just, you know, stock manifolds, and the truck ain't gonna like it. So I'm gonna just wait on that. I think I'm gonna wait like another 2 weeks. Cause yeah. And also, oh wait, let me turn the camera around. Be right back. I got a new center console. Don't mind the trash, guys. I got a new center console from a Tahoe. There's all my trash, and because I also picked up another gauge. Oh, they left me. But yeah. So I'm gonna go to the bank right now. Take out some money. There's a popo. Yeah. So I'm gonna go get the money and meet up this guy for the hood, and then I'm gonna get home, see if I can put it on to test fit, because I heard that on these trucks you don't need to cut anything or whatever. So hopefully I don't. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next clip whenever we go to the thing. We got the goods. My God, it's fucking cold. So let's go. Anyways, I got the money and I'm about to go meet the guy right now. I'm low-key excited because this truck is gonna look so different. And then I'm trying to get a HD bumper, but I found one, but it has it, but it's without the fogs. So yeah, that kind of sucks. So I'm gonna still keep looking for an HD bumper, but if I have to pay like $400 or $500 just to get it with the fogs, then I'll do it. But who knows? Maybe I'll find it for like $200 or $300. That'll be a steal. But yeah, guys, I'm on my way right now, and I'll let you know when I get there. Peace. So I'm about to meet up the guy at this restaurant right here. I think it's called Papa's Barbecues or something like that. I'm gonna check out the hood, and yeah, guys, if I buy it, I'm gonna install it literally whenever I get home. Hopefully my mom doesn't get mad, because she's been getting mad for me putting stuff in my truck. But yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Into his house. Kind of weird, but that's it. Turns out he freaking jumps me for my money, man. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna show him for his house, cause yeah. So I'll meet you whenever we get there. See me, but we just got to the guy's house. I'm gonna go check out the hood and then see if we can make a deal on it. Get you later. I don't know if y'all can see me. Okay, so I just bought the hood. Damn, that hood is clean. I'm gonna see if I can put it on whenever I get home, because I gotta shower and go to sleep for work. But yeah, guys, let me just get home and then I'll see if I can put it on. Guys, I'm about to get home right now. I'm gonna see if my dad can help me install it, because I'm excited. But yeah, I'll get my tripod, because I don't have my tripod, and I'll set it up to where y'all can see us install it, so y'all know how it's easily installed. Well, I installed a hood on a 9902 with one of my homeboys. those 6 bolts. So yeah, hopefully it'll be this easy because I'm not trying to take too long. I just want to see how aggressive it looks right after. But yeah, guys, I'll be whenever I set the tripod and everything. Yeah. ¿Qué estamos haciendo, güey?
Pagando tu tropa. Si no aprendes, es tu culpa, güey.
No, hombre, no, vales verga. But anyways, how about my new toy? For focuses and shit.
Fucking Chinese parts, you bought his shit.
Cállate los hocico, güey. Pinche yonke que traes allá a la verga.
That little gap.
Yeah, it'll get me for now.
Always will.
Fuck it. We about to wire this bitch up, Billy.
What the fuck?
Okay, talk to you later. We just installed the hood, boys. Hopefully y'all can see because it's dark as hell. Damn. Right now I'm gonna go to a gas station and see how this thing looks, but my god, I can see the difference. Holy shit. Just need the hood trim, the little Vortec badge aquí, and then the Vortec plastic trim aquí, and hopefully it should be complete. Should be just 2 out of 3. Damn. All right, guys, see you later. Here she is, boys. HD hood. Damn, it looks so aggressive. Entonces, papá, ¿qué dices? Por fin. Muy bien, ¿no? Muy bien. Here it is, how she looks in daytime. I might pick up the plastics today. I don't know yet, but if I don't, I'm gonna just order some. And then I'm also order the bow tie grill, but damn. Just needs a good drop, but for now, after this and the bow tie and everything, cam, headers, tune going on. And then I'm also getting a tranny pulley for this thing. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bow tie, little badge. ¿Te gusta? Damn it, boy. Bought the hood. Got the bow tie. Bought a little something emblem with a Mexico City on it, the Zacatecas key. And then right now I'm buying the hood vents for my guys. So right now I'm gonna go meet up with them, and yeah, I'll catch up with you in a bit.